In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop QuickBooks Payroll 2026. Step by step, we're going to walk through exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm that your payroll subscription is fully canceled. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without surprises. First, sign into your QuickBooks account, open your browser, go to the QuickBooks website, and log in with a user who has access to billing. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. On the left side, open the Billing and Subscription tab. This is where QuickBooks keeps all plan details, including payroll. If you don't see billing and subscription, you may not have the right permissions, so check that you're signed in as an admin or try again using an incognito browser window to avoid caching issues. Next, it's time to cancel the payroll subscription. In the billing and subscription area, scroll until you find the payroll section. Click Cancel or Cancel Subscription. QuickBooks will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These may include selecting a reason for canceling and reviewing what happens next, like when access will end. Follow each prompt carefully and confirm the cancellation when prompted. Keep in mind, if your payroll is bundled with your overall QuickBooks plan, you might not see a standalone cancel button for payroll. In that case, you'll likely need to contact QuickBooks support to remove only the payroll portion while keeping your accounting subscription active. That's normal, and it helps ensure you don't accidentally cancel the entire account. After you finish the cancellation flow, let's confirm everything is finalized. First, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from QuickBooks. This email serves as official proof of cancellation and often includes the effective date. Then, go back to billing and subscription and verify that the payroll status now shows canceled. It may take a moment to refresh, but it should clearly indicate that payroll is no longer active. Save or download a copy of your cancellation confirmation for your records, just in case you need it for audit, HR, or budgeting purposes. A few closing tips. If a payroll run was already in progress when you canceled, you may see messages about timing or final access through the end of your billing period. That's expected. And if you change your mind later, you can usually reactivate payroll from the same billing and subscription area. That's it. You've stopped QuickBooks Payroll and verified that it's canceled successfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident completing the process.